Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of NFL. We go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.